Okay, guys, we're gonna do the fireworks, which for Powwow 2019, which will be a little bit tricky. But I think once we get into it and we hear the other parts, it's probably going to make a lot more sense. But as we go through it today, you'll see that you get into a rhythm, and then guess what? He changes it. So the composer changes it. So if you've seen this scene in Harry Potter, you know it's really chaotic and it changes directions quickly, and it's fast. But today, for our purposes, for practicing, we'll just do it really slowly so we can get this going. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second bar. 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1. Always up, down, up, down, 4, up, down. Here we go. A little different. 4 and 1, 2, 4 and 1.